Okay, gentlemen, I need a little help with the wiring. I got the alternator in, secured, and started the wiring. I finally got everything settled here. I have a 10 gauge wire that's hooked up to the main large terminal that goes in underneath the dash and has a 40 amp fuse, and then is wired in right there. Okay, so then I started with the relay, and on the relay I have my ground, got a jumper, then I have the existing F which goes to here, and also the warning light one, which is D. That is right here to the small connector. That's F and D, according to what I have here, the one that goes around like this. And then I connected this bottom wire here that goes off of A1 here. I connected that because it says ignition key, I connected that to 85 on the relay. The only problem is got nothing. No fuel pump kicking in, no nothing. I think I've got something crossed here. This wire here, of course, originally went to the battery. That's not there anymore. I tucked this one under, and this is D that's now not existing, and then these here I just left. So if I'm doing something wrong here or on the relay, really would appreciate some help on getting it sorted so I can get her started, and then I'll probably reassess some of the wiring and look at hiding things a little bit better. So appreciate it. Thank you.